What's up, guys? So this is my first ever video on this channel. It's about garage doors, obviously. As you can see, those are my Genie model 2028s. And I thought I'd make a video on them today. So I have a remote in my dad's car, and this is my dad's house. At my mom's house, I have two LiftMaster openers, and at my dad's, I have the two Genie model 2028s. And here is a remote I ordered off of eBay. It is a Genie, or it's like technically a Genie opener. It is the model GD-R23. And yep, and these are the wall buttons. They're two light up buttons, but let's go ahead and run this door first, and then we'll run this door. So let's go ahead and click the button, the first button. And then come over here. We got my keypad. Let's open the other door. All right, now we'll come outside. We'll just hit the enter button. We'll close this door now with the big button. Oh, it didn't work. All right, we'll open this door again with, this button's not programmed or anything, so. Okay, now we'll open this door with the keypad. Enter the code. Enter 1. Now the other remote I have is just, I don't know if you can see it, but I'll do a video on that tomorrow probably. But let me close this. Let me come inside real quick, and let's close this door right here, and we'll get a close up on the close. I have this ladder here because I programmed the remote I'm using right now today. So we'll get a close up of the opener. These are, let me get down, these are Wayne Dalton doors. And as you can see, Wayne Dalton door. And with the Genie model 2028, the doors are pretty loud, but the opener is very, very quiet. So we're gonna come up to the door here. We're gonna click the second button to close the other door. Sorry for the shakiness, if there is any. I will have a video tomorrow about how to program. I'll just reprogram this middle button here. But let me know if there's anything I need to correct or change or anything about this video, because it's my first ever video. But here's the remote again that I got on eBay today, and it got here. This is when it got here. But I like this remote better than the new ones, just because I like them. I don't know. But I'll do a collection video. I have a LiftMaster 373LM. I have this GD-R23. I have the remote that came for this also in the car, and then those are my remote collection, and all of them are programmed to a door. But this will be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if there's anything I need to change in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. See ya.